Your customers should not have to guess which store is closest to them. With automatic IP geolocation and nearest store detection, your site can detect the visitor's location and help show the nearest store stock right away. In this video, I'll show you how automatic IP geolocation and nearest store detection works in multi-location inventory management. This feature helps show the closest store to your visitors and makes store selection much easier. First, you need to go to WordPress dashboard. Then hover over Location Manage. After that, open Settings. On the right side, you will see the shortcode. Here, you can notice the parameter. This option helps you enable user location detection anywhere on your site. I have already placed the shortcode in the header. Here, users are able to handle their location and switch to anytime. Now, let's make it look even better. Go back to Plugin Settings. Then go to Popup, enable Popup, and then choose the template Modern. Then you need to click Save Changes. Once you enable the popup with Modern template, your visitor will see this clean interface on your site. It helps them quickly detect or choose the nearest store location in a simple and user-friendly way. So this is how you can use automatic IP geolocation and nearest store detection to make location-based shopping easier for your customers. It helps visitors find the nearest store faster and lets them see the right stock without confusion. Show the right store to the right customer automatically.